compact pickup market has been crying out for something better than the bland offerings currently available, but the Toyota Stout is the game changer we've all been waiting for. If you think this is yet another small pickup with too many compromises, wait to see how it combines class-leading efficiency with strong off-road performance. It promises to fix everything wrong with today's small trucks, delivering the perfect combination of style, efficiency, capability, and affordability that will make every other option seem outdated. Compact pickup that actually looks appealing. Current compact pickups have a serious styling problem that's been turning buyers away for years. The Ford Maverick plays it too safe with generic lines that blend into traffic, while the Hyundai Santa Cruz can't decide if it wants to be a crossover or a truck. Both vehicles suffer from uninspiring designs that fail to capture the rugged appeal that truck buyers actually want. But Toyota's approach with the Stout changes everything. Instead of following the boring formula established by competitors, Toyota is bringing bold design language directly from their EPU concept. The production Stout maintains the concept's striking angular bodywork, aggressive stance, and modern LED lighting signature that immediately sets it apart from anything else in the segment. The front end features a distinctive hammerhead design with sharp headlights and a prominent grille that gives this compact truck genuine road presence. Unlike the Maverick's forgettable face or the Santa Cruz's confused identity, the Stout looks like a truck that means business. The sculpted wheel arches and pronounced fender flares add muscular character, while the clean side profile maintains aerodynamic efficiency without sacrificing visual impact. Therefore, potential buyers won't have to compromise between efficiency and style anymore. The Stout's design successfully hides its unibody construction behind genuinely truck-like proportions, making it the first compact pickup that actually looks like it belongs in the truck family rather than the crossover aisle. But attractive styling becomes meaningless in this segment if you're spending a fortune on fuel every week. Class-leading fuel economy. While design gets attention, fuel economy drives sales in this segment, but current hybrid options have been disappointing truck buyers who want efficiency without sacrificing capability. The Maverick Hybrid manages decent numbers, but still falls short of what modern technology should deliver. Toyota solves this efficiency challenge by bringing their proven hybrid expertise to the compact truck segment. The Stout will feature the same 196 horsepower hybrid system found in the Corolla Cross, combining a 2-liter 4-cylinder engine with electric motor assistance for optimal performance and economy. This powertrain delivers the perfect balance of power and efficiency for truck buyers. With 196 horsepower on tap, the Stout provides more than adequate acceleration for daily driving and light hauling duties. But the real breakthrough comes in fuel consumption, where this hybrid setup should achieve over 40 miles per gallon combined, making it significantly more efficient than the Maverick's 37 miles per gallon rating. Therefore, Stout buyers get the best of both worlds without compromise. The advanced hybrid system eliminates the typical trade-off between power and economy, providing strong performance while delivering fuel costs that make daily driving genuinely affordable. This level of efficiency will make the Stout the clear choice for budget-conscious buyers who refuse to sacrifice capability for savings. Still, exceptional fuel efficiency won't matter if passengers are cramped and uncomfortable during every trip. Excellent comfort and passenger space. Interior space has been the Achilles heel of current compact pickups, but Toyota's engineering approach creates significant advantages over the competition. The key difference lies in the Stout's extended wheelbase, a direct result of its original electric vehicle development. When Toyota first conceived this truck as the EPU electric concept, they designed it with a 131.9-inch wheelbase to accommodate battery packs underneath the floor. This extended wheelbase remains in the production hybrid version, creating interior dimensions that dwarf what Ford and Hyundai offer. The Maverick's 121-inch wheelbase simply cannot match the room available in Toyota's design, but longer wheelbase means more than just numbers on paper. The extended dimensions allow Toyota engineers to move the cabin forward, creating genuinely adult-friendly seating in both rows. Rear passengers get nearly 3 additional inches of legroom compared to the Maverick, transforming what's typically a cramped experience into comfortable transportation for full-size adults. Access to the rear seats becomes effortless thanks to larger door openings and better step-in height. Unlike competitors where climbing into the back requires awkward contortions, the Stout's design makes entry and exit natural and comfortable for passengers of all ages. Therefore, families can actually use this truck for regular transportation without the compromises typically associated with compact pickups. The Stout becomes the first small truck that doesn't force passengers to sacrifice comfort for efficiency, finally delivering the practicality that buyers have been demanding from this segment. Modern interior. Interior quality often gets sacrificed in affordable vehicles, but Toyota refuses to compromise on cabin refinement despite the Stout's competitive pricing. While competitors cut costs with hard plastics and basic layouts, the Stout brings genuine quality to the compact truck interior. The dashboard features soft-touch materials and attractive texturing that feels substantial rather than cheap. Instead of the hollow, brittle feeling common in budget vehicles, Stout buyers get interior surfaces that inspire confidence in long-term durability. The overall fit and finish matches what buyers expect from vehicles costing thousands more. Technology integration integration reaches new levels for this price point as well. The Stout comes standard with a large touchscreen interface that eliminates the tiny, outdated screens found in competitive trucks. The system includes wireless smartphone connectivity, eliminating the cable clutter that plagues other budget-friendly vehicles. But technology means nothing without usability, which is where Toyota's experience shows. The controls remain intuitive and logical, avoiding the complex menu systems that frustrate drivers in other affordable trucks. Physical buttons handle climate control and other essential functions, maintaining the simplicity that truck buyers actually prefer. Therefore, Stout buyers escape the typical penalty of cheap cabin quality that plagues affordable trucks. The interior creates an environment where you actually want to spend time, proving that budget-friendly pricing doesn't have to mean sacrificing the comfort and technology that make modern driving pleasant, but even the nicest interior becomes worthless if the truck can't handle the work and adventure activities you bought it for. Utility and off-road performance. Compact pickups often sacrifice capability for efficiency, but the Stout's design philosophy refuses to accept this compromise. Standard all-wheel drive comes from Toyota's proven system that delivers genuine traction in challenging conditions rather than the electronic band-aids used by some competitors. The extended wheelbase that improves interior space also creates shorter overhangs fore and aft. This geometric advantage translates directly into better approach and departure angles, allowing the Stout to tackle terrain that would scrape and damage other compact trucks. Combined with generous ground clearance, these proportions give the Stout legitimate off-road credibility, but capability extends beyond just off-road performance to practical work duties as well. The unibody construction provides excellent ride quality on the highway while maintaining enough structural integrity for real truck tasks. The bed can handle substantial loads without the harsh ride penalty that body-on-frame trucks typically deliver. Available towing capacity will meet the needs of weekend warriors who need to pull boats, trailers, or recreational equipment. The hybrid powertrain's electric motor provides instant torque that makes pulling loads feel effortless compared to traditional small displacement engines. Therefore, Stout buyers get genuine truck capability without the fuel economy penalties or harsh ride quality of traditional pickups. This truck successfully bridges the gap between efficient daily transportation and weekend adventure vehicle, finally delivering the versatility that compact truck buyers have been seeking. Pricing. Affordable pricing has become the holy grail of the compact truck segment, but current offerings still stretch many buyers' budgets beyond comfortable limits. The Maverick's base price continues climbing while the Santa Cruz starts even higher, leaving many potential customers without accessible options. Toyota's pricing strategy for the Stout changes this equation completely. Industry insiders suggest base hybrid models could start around $20,000, positioning the Stout as the most affordable new truck on the American market. This aggressive pricing makes competing products seem overpriced by comparison, but low pricing doesn't mean stripped equipment or compromised quality. Even base Stout models will include the hybrid powertrain, all-wheel drive, and essential technology features that competitors charge thousands extra to provide. Toyota achieves this pricing through efficient manufacturing and proven component sharing rather than corner cutting. The value proposition becomes even more compelling when considering total cost of ownership. With fuel economy exceeding 40 miles per gallon combined, the Stout's operating costs will be dramatically lower than any other truck on the market. Monthly fuel savings alone could offset a significant portion of the payment, making the true cost of ownership remarkably low. Therefore, the Stout makes every other compact truck purchase seem financially irrational. At this price point with this level of capability and efficiency, choosing any competitor becomes impossible to justify. Toyota has created a vehicle that delivers everything buyers want at a price they can actually afford, finally bringing compact truck ownership within reach of average American families. The Toyota Stout represents the evolution compact trucks have been waiting for, combining attractive styling, exceptional efficiency, genuine capability, and unprecedented affordability into a single compelling package that makes the competition obsolete. But keep in mind that the 2026 Ford Maverick is getting a comprehensive update as well, so make sure to check out our next video as well. If you think that the new Stout can take over the segment so easily, well, things won't go all so easily. The Maverick remains the quintessential compact pickup, and with this update, solving those few remaining issues, it could easily retain its class-leading position.